Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's begin to solve this tricky math problem. First, we do this 2 plus 2 equals 4, and there is multiplication here. 5 multiplied by 4 equals 20, and 20 divided by 20 equals 1. But this is not correct answer because according to the order of operations, first we have to begin to work inside the parentheses, and then if there is any exponent we have to work exponents, and then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Here multiplication and division have equal priority, that's why we have to begin to work from the left to the right. And the same will apply for addition and subtraction. According to this rule, first we have to work inside the parentheses, and 2 plus 2 equals 4, and we have to copy the rest part of the problem. 20 divided by 5 multiplied by 4, and here multiplication and division have equal priority, that's why we have to begin to work from the left to the right. And according to this rule, first we have to work this 20 divided by 5 equals 4, and 4 multiplied by 4, it equals 16. This is our final and correct answer. We can copy this answer here. Answer for this problem is 16. That's all. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.